So I thought I would do a YouTube video on how I managed to score the bum bag. So I did a lot of research before to get the perfect bum bag, and I decided on the Louis Vuitton bum bag because it was big enough to fit everything, and then you could wear it in multiple ways. And I just thought it was the best value for money compared to other designers that you could get. So then I started looking for it just before Christmas, or a couple of weeks before Christmas actually. And then I realised that it was out of stock. So my first time I bought from Louis Vuitton before, I had to do a bit of research and realised quickly that it was really difficult to actually get this bag. So this made me obviously want it more. I was checking literally every day. Never once came in stock. Call client services, call them every day towards the end. I watched loads of YouTube videos online to see how I could actually get it. Loads of things. So I was just trying all throughout the day. If I woke up in the middle of the night, I'd check on my phone if it was in stock, and it was just constantly out of stock. So the day I managed to get it, it was actually really lucky. So I was checking the website all day, and then I decided to play around on my phone to see if I should get the world tour version, because I was watching YouTube videos a couple minutes before. I saw that some people were adding on a sticker like right here, and it looked really nice. So I thought, okay, maybe it's just worth spending the extra £300 or so to get the world tour version. So I just finished watching the YouTube videos, I was playing around, and then I was looking at the description and what the LV World Tour one looked like, what it was made of. And then I was like, okay, let me just go back to look at what the bum, like compare it to the actual original bum bag. So I went back, I searched bum bag on the website, and then just really casually I was just scrolling down, going to the description. I saw that there was a green light and it said add to basket, and I was like, what? So I wasn't even logged into my LV account. Quickly added it to basket, it went to my basket, and obviously I had to log in. Logged in, it was still in my basket. Had to fill in all my address and everything, it was still in my basket. And then I went to pay, and then I went to pay, put in my card details, had to authorize it on my card's app, my bank's app, authorized it, went back, and then it said there's a problem, you have insufficient funds. So I thought, what? That doesn't even make sense, like I definitely have the funds for it. So I did it again, had to reconfirm on the app, went back, and then it said there's been a problem, it wasn't accepting it. So then I was like, okay, I'm just going to pay with PayPal. Luckily it was still in my basket at this point. Went to pay with PayPal, logged in, authorized the payment, went back, and then it said you've got the wrong password. So I was like, what? I went back to do it again with PayPal, and at this point it went, it's too late, it's out of stock, it's not in stock anymore, you can't get it. But it was still in my basket. So then I saw previous YouTube videos where they then call client services to see if they can help, and they sometimes give them a code, but these tend to be on American videos that I watched. So then I called client services, couple minutes to get through. It was like a 2-minute wait, but I think it was long, or it felt longer than that. And at this point I'm constantly refreshing my phone, so they're on loudspeaker, I'm refreshing, it's still out of stock. And she answered the phone. I was like, hi, basically I've got the bum bag, it was just in stock a moment ago, it's saying it's out of stock, it's in my basket, is there anything you can do, is there any code you can give me? She was like, yeah, let me just check. Okay, it is, you're right, it's out of stock. No, there's nothing I can do. Like, it's nothing we can pre-order. You have to just keep refreshing it. Try doing it at 3 in the morning. So I was like, okay, thanks, bye. So then I'm constantly refreshing. So it came in stock I was on my phone at about 1:08 p.m. And that's when I saw it was in stock. And at this point, it was like 1:20. So I'm then constantly refreshing. I did this for 20 minutes. It was just not coming in stock. And then I was just so upset because I thought I actually nearly had it. So then casually I just got off. I was like, okay, I'm just going to get off the website. It's just depressing me. Like, I literally had it, and because of probably from all the having to log in, and just didn't work. So then I randomly, the next thing I just checked my emails. And then to my surprise, like honestly so surprised, it then said, thanks for your order, from Louis Vuitton. I was like, what? I click on the email, and it definitely said like, thanks for your order. To find out more about your order, go onto your log onto your LV account. So I go back onto the website, and the website is really buggy, so it must be like, I don't know if it was the internet on my phone or the website, but I ended up logging in again because it had already logged me out. Went back to my orders, and then it said you know, I had a number and it was there, like that my order was pending or processing or whatever it was. So then I called client service. Was like, I don't believe this. Like, I literally tried 3 times and nothing. I didn't get any order confirmation page come up. Called client services, got through to someone who was like, okay, give me the number, let me check for you. Like, do you have a number? I was like, yes, I do have a number. He checked and I was like, yep, so it's currently in our warehouse being prepared. I was like, what? Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm so happy I've got it. Like, and then I made sure, I was like, did I definitely just order 1? Because I processed it 3 times. He was like, no, you've just got 1, don't worry. I was like, okay, good. So happy, so excited, because I had been trying for weeks and weeks and weeks. And then I was gonna get it. So it said it would take a week to come. So this was on a Wednesday. Sorry, it wasn't on a Wednesday, it was on a Tuesday. So I ordered this bag on a Tuesday, and then the order was processed at 1:21 p.m. and by Friday the bag was with me. So I fully expected it to take 7 days to come. It didn't. It came on Friday. I opened it. I will share an unboxing video. And this is the bag. So it's definitely possible. I would say as a tip, just make sure you try constantly, like every time you're on your phone. I did what all the other videos suggested, so I did add it to my wish list. I added both the black one and the one in canvas, which was my preferred one anyway because it was slightly bigger. And I didn't want the leather to get damaged if I got the black one, because I'm planning on wearing it all the time. So yeah, I did have it on my wish list, but when I got it, I had searched bum bag in the search. I wasn't even logged into my account, and then it was in stock. Added it to my basket. So it's definitely better if you constantly are logged in before you search, because on my browser it logs me out. And I don't know about the app. I stopped using the app. I was just using the website because I just felt it was easier to refresh. Yeah, so 1 o'clock in the afternoon UK time on a Tuesday, and this is the bag. Have a look. This is what it looks like. So my plan is to actually wear it as a bum bag, which is like this. And I have worn it. It does fit my waist, so I am really tiny. I'll show you in a minute. But first, it's perfect. Wear like this as well. And then obviously you can hold it like this. It looks so good. And then you can wear it like this as well, which, to be fair, I probably will wear it like this as well. And I would probably lower it so it's a bit more down. Or you can sling it across your back. And let me just show you what it would look like. So that it can be tightened low. So I was worried because I saw some videos where it was quite loose around their waist. But for me, it's actually okay. So it is a bit, I have tightened it, and as you can see, there's still room to tighten it a bit more. And I would push this up. So I can tighten it, but then this bit would kind of flap around. I guess I could, no, probably couldn't, but I can make it tighter, so it does fit if you prop it up, as you can see. So I'm quite tiny around my waist, but it can fit like this. It's really good, and this is how I plan to wear it. This is the reason why I decided on this bag. This is the main reason to wear it as a bum bag. So let's take it off. So as you can see, this can still be tightened a bit more. Which I haven't tried yet. I only got it a few days ago. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, then let me know. But I thought this would be helpful because I live in London, I live in the UK, and most of the videos that I found were from America. So I thought maybe the time difference would be affected as to what time the bag came in stock. But who knows? The lady from client services did say to try it about 3 or 4 in the morning, which I'm always sleeping at that time, but that's just a tip. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.